Evolution of Black Cat boss fight in Spider-Man games. 2007 Spider-Man Friend or Foe.
Knockout. You win.
2008 Spider-Man Web of
Pretty
Shadows.
little eyeballs in trouble again, no doubt. Oh, goody, another round to kick the spider.
Come on. You know you love this as much as I do.
Well, I think I've had my fill of psychotic kitty cats.
You never know what this might lead.
No, I think you love it more.
Only one way you'll ever find out. Come on. Come on.
I bet it's something I've never mentioned in front of my aunt.
I can never get enough of my little Spidey man.
Felicia, I'm doing my best to hold back. You keep pushing.
Holding back on me? You won't live to regret that.
Please, Felicia, give it a rest.
Give you a rest? No way, Spidey. Wow. Finally starting to get to me. Keep it up.
I'm beginning to think you're not exactly normal, are you?
And you are? Look at that outfit you're wearing. Ready to be knocked out by a knockout of a girl?
I know that hurt. Don't make me do that again.
I'll make you do it all night, lover. I'm sorry. Did Kitty forget to retract her claws? Make me.
Okay, Felicia, please just stop. Please.
You didn't say pretty, please. I always respond well to I'm just getting into this.
You have no idea what you're getting into here, Cat.
Oh, contraire, more. I know exactly what I'm getting
How many shots like that are you gonna take?
I don't know. How many do you have to give? Looks like this cat still has plenty of scratch.
Spare me the metaphor.
Another KO for the cat.
Oh, brother.
Get up, Spidey. No lying down on the job.
Oh, brother.
2011, Spider-Man: Edge of Time.
Is a girl supposed to take?
Black Cat? I was praying I was wrong. Felicia, what if they...
Help me, Spider. They gave me an anti-aging drug. For decades, made me over.
Spider sense going nuts. You're lying. The real Felicia, she would have never let them...
Never let them what? Turn me into this? You destroyed me, Spider. After what you did, I didn't care what happened to me.
I don't know what you're talking about. Either I haven't done yet what you claim I did, or you're making this up to mess with my head.
And you get to guess which one. Isn't this fun?
Not remotely.
Aw, you used to have a sense of humor.
Dying tends to get you serious in a hurry.
Then you're about to get deadly serious. That wasn't bad.
I'm sorry for it, but not that sorry. Felicia, I'm so sorry.
Oh, he's so sorry. Help me, Spider, poor me. You actually fell for that. What's we ever see in him?
2012, The Amazing Spider-Man.
Come here, Itsy Bitsy Spider. Let's play.
Hurts me more than it hurts you.
Too slow.
What the? That didn't look pretty. Hits keep coming.
Oh, watch the hair.
Knock, knock. You're going down. Playing hard to get, huh?
Now you see me. Where did that come from? Where did you go to get this kind of power?
Oh, it's not the power you should be concerned about. It's the responsibility it gave me. You know, to beat the living crap out of criminals like you.
Oh, I'll bet you say that to all the girls.
Only the ones I really like. To see behind bars.
A spider first, then a lizard. Maybe I could be part of your little animal kingdom. Tell me how.
Nope.
I'll find it without you, you know. So long, Spider.
2014, The Amazing Spider-Man 2.
Girl? Get out when I'm old and wrinkly? I don't think so.
You're saying the Kingpin got you out of jail? How much power does this guy have?
That's what it's all about, isn't it? Power. His, yours, and mine.
Hey, pay attention! I'm not gonna do this again for your benefit.
You're so cute when you're confused. I like to play rough.
Just a little closer.
starting to think you're not really trying.
I learned a valuable lesson today. Kicking bad guys in the face is fun.
Don't look at me like that. Now you know how the other guy feels when you hide in the shadows.
Come to Papa.
It's your fault it's come to this.
Did your mom tell you you could be anything you want? 'Cause she was wrong.
You're just dying to get your hands on me, aren't you? You naughty boy.
Webs, do your stuff.
I know I'm playing hard to get, but I'm worth it.
And he... Your heart wasn't in this, Felicia. Tell me what he did to you.
I was transferred to Ravencroft. The Kingpin came to see me.
Just to be clear, we're talking about Wilson Fisk.
Yes. He said he knew I was after power and he could give it to me.
You'd owe him. That's how it always works, isn't it?
The doctors did experiments. They called it DNA crafting or crisscrossing.
Cross-species genetics? You've seen what can happen. Why would you do that to yourself?
Boy, you are thick.
2018, Marvel's
Felicia,
Spider-Man.
We need to talk.
Oh, I do miss our little chats. But I've got to run.
Let me know in the comment section which version of Black Cat is your favorite. Thanks for watching this video and we see you the next time. Goodbye.
She shorted out my web shooters with an EMP. Guess I'm doing this the old-fashioned way. Come on, I want to help.
Then back off!
If Hammerhead's got your son, you can't do this alone.
Why not? I've done everything else alone.
I'm saying you don't have to. Why won't you trust me? We worked together before.
Answered your own question, didn't you?
Felicia, why didn't you come to me with this?
Because it's not your problem. It's mine, and I'll handle it.
Maybe I don't think it's a problem. Wait, unless you mean the gang war, because that's definitely a problem.
Stay away. I'm better off on my own.
Huh? Finally, web shooters are back online. I can help you stop Hammerhead!
How? No killing, no breaking the law? Your way won't get it done.
Felicia, about your son. I just need to know. Is he...
He's mine, and I'll take care of him. Stubborn little spider.
I just want to talk!
Still with me?
I could go all night if that's what it takes.
Now you're getting my attention.
Guess I gotta play harder to get.
Need to get closer.
time. Don't look for me.
Stop running!
Stop chasing me! Why are you revving me?
Because I'm trying to slow you down! Just need to get closer and this thing is all over. Now can we talk like human beings?
This feels pretty human to me.
I know what's on those drives you're stealing.
Look at you, brawn and brains.
You can't give Hammerhead the last drive. Once he has what he wants, your son will just be a loose end. Let me help you.
What are you thinking?
Stall him. Give us some time to find your son.
I missed you. Glad we're back together again.
Not like that.
Shame. Okay. I can probably give us a couple days, max.
So, about your son, is there a chance I'm...
Later. For now, let's find him. When he's safe, we can talk about that. Keep in touch, Spider.